Hey guys, so today is my birthday and I'm gonna go meet some of my friends. Let's go. We're at the Typhoon eating.
Killer whale? Oh, it's let me film you. It's your boy. How the hell do you use this?
We're gonna go get the Nintendo Switch now.
This is gonna be a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Do you like? Yeah. we buying the Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Okay, Pam. Wait, why did you not get the Joy-Con from me?
You can get it cheaper elsewhere.
Buying it, right?
Yeah.
This is his first game.
Oh god.
Look at how happy he is.
Guys, I bought the Switch. It's done. From Game Mart Z. Haha. Oh yeah, okay, so as much as I want to go home and open this right now, William and I are gonna go to IKEA to look for furniture for the house. We're gonna go eat the Swedish meatballs there, really good stuff, and then we're gonna go to his house and open this and play Overcooked. I'm so excited. Okay, we've decided not to go to IKEA because we want to play, so we're going to his house first. Alright guys, so this is everything I got in the package. A Switch, a screen protector, a hard shell case, the game, and a case. Alright, let me open this 1 second. Okay, so first to start off with the case. This is a clear hard shell case with even like detachable Joy-Con grip cases. So that's nice. Gives it good protection. This is just a screen for the a screen protector. I'm not gonna put this on right now because it's too complicated. And this is the hard shell case for the Nintendo Switch. I like the simplicity. It's just like clear blue. Alright, let me open this. Okay, so what's inside? It's a very simple case. So we can put some Joy-Con, extra Joy-Cons or whatever in here, and the games, and you can put the Switch in here. So that's like perfect. And the game I picked is Overcooked. So I heard that was a really nice multiplayer game, so I'm gonna play this with William. And yeah. Alright, let's open the Switch. So first, sure. Alright, so this is a very simple setup. So plug it in, and then plug it into the Switch, and then you can detach the Joy-Cons, and that's about it, yeah. So yeah, this is Nintendo Switch. It comes like this. The Nintendo Switch is like an iPad kind of tablet device. And these are the two Joy-Cons that come with it. I chose the neon version, so it has a neon blue and neon red pinkish kind of color. So these are the Joy-Cons, and this is the Nintendo Switch. And then underneath this, there is a HDMI cable for the docking, the wall plug for the dock, and the charger. And then this is the grip for the Joy-Cons. This is the grip for the Joy-Cons. You can slide the Joy-Cons in and it'll be like a more comfortable grip for you to play. These are the, I guess, like this wrist straps. And they also provide you with a better like L and R button. And it comes with two because there are two Joy-Cons. And then this is the Nintendo Switch dock. It's a very big, bulky thing that I'm gonna open. Nintendo Switch dock. It is a very nice build. But I heard that the front scratches your screen, but I don't know. I feel like it won't. This is the back case. So you can plug in a USB, the AC adapter, and the HDMI output. And then it can all be hid away underneath this flap here. So yeah, we're gonna play Overcooked. We just gamed for how long? 2 hours on the Switch and the Xbox and his PS4. So that was fun. He wrecked me in Naruto. No clue how to play. Anyways, we're gonna go eat now, so we're gonna try to find some nice places to eat. Guys, look at this. It looks bland, but it looks good to me. Nice. Now it's time to finish off the meal with some delicious dim sum. Guys, so we were here taking down this gym, and then we sat over there at the stairs, and then we saw this lady sitting here, so we kept battling. And then like when we came out and when we were about to battle again, the Pokemon were healed, and we looked over and the lady was playing Pokemon Go, healing up the Pokemon in the gym. So now that she left, we're gonna try to claim this gym as our own. Lit. Let's go.